Nakuba zehla izibalo zabatheleleka nge-COVID-19 kodwa kuxwayiswa abantu bakuleli ngokuthi isiwombe sesine singase sihlasele kuleli emasontweni ambalwa ezayo.
The health facilities readiness in preparation for the fourth wave is addressing areas such as availability of oxygen supply, of which our bulk supplier, which is Afrox, has already finalized contingency plans for making sure that when the fourth wave does come, we do have enough supply of oxygen. Other areas such as bed capacity, also equipment, and also such as ventilators and other equipment, the personal protective equipment, and also other consumables, all these are receiving attention.
uDokotela Phaahla unethemba lokuthi umnyango wakhe uzilungiselele ukubhekana nesiswombe sesine sokuhlasela kwe-COVID-19 kepha ukhathazekile ngesibalo sezisebenzi. Ebantwini abahlela ukuvakashela emazweni angaphandle uDokotela Phaahla uthi kuzoba nezingxoxo nalamazwe ukuba emukele izitifiketi ezizokhishelwa ngabagomile.
Countries have to first reach an agreement on recognizing each other's certificates. So because this is still new and developing, even from our side, we had not yet even started to negotiate with many countries because of the fact that we, as we said when we launched the certificate, that it still needed a lot of improvements. So as I mentioned this morning, one of those improvements have already been achieved in terms of activating the safety of the QR code, which can now be scanned and verify information.
Umnyango uphinde wazwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngesibalo esiphansi sabantu abagomayo abaneminyaka ephakathi kwe-18 kuya ema-34. Ngale kwalokhu umnyango unethemba lokuthi ngomsombuluko bazobe sebengo-40% abantu asebekhulile abazobe sebethole umgomo wokuqala.